Yes, people, welcome to the Loaded Cannon, Albert JTV fan cam. First one for myself in the Premier League season. Good to be back, and thank you once again, Mo, for the opportunity, bro. So, yes, people, Crystal Palace nil, Arsenal 1. Two wins on the spin, and a tough away day at London derby, a very difficult ground at Selhurst Park, and we get a 1-0 win, and we keep a clean sheet. Not plain sailing, but that's the Arsenal way. So let's get into it. So team lineup: Thomas Partey's playing at right back again. Kai Havertz in the midfield role, bit of more of an advanced role. And I think you're going to see this for us as Arsenal fans in the first sort of 5-6 games of the season. Obviously coming in off the back of pre-season. He wants to try some different things, Mikel Arteta. We don't want to become one-trick ponies or one-dimensional. There's got to be shown some adaptability to this team, particularly with the recruitment that's been brought in. And it's going to take time to gel. It will do. Arsenal fans, unfortunately, whether you like it or not, we will have to show a little bit of patience in that sense. But yeah, talking about the game, I actually thought we started it pretty okay. I thought we started it well. I thought Saka looked sharp. I thought Martinelli looked sharp. Eddie was sort of occupying the centre backs. Martin Odegaard tried to get in the pockets of space. Palace are going to make it difficult, man, particularly with Roy Hodgson as manager to penetrate them and break them down. And although we had a lot of possession, we didn't really create anything really until with Eddie's two chances. He was very unlucky with the first chance, by the way. Very, very unlucky. Hits the post, worked it really well for himself. But the second chance, actually Arsenal's one bit of very good passage of play. Good build-up play. I think Erdegaard was involved, Rice was involved. Eddie gets himself into a great position. I think two things for me, looking at that chance, I look back on it again when he missed it. When you take it on the way that he tried to finish it, you're going to hit that chance. You're going to score that goal with that kind of attempt, I would say 1 time out of 10. There's two things for me he should have done. Yes, in hindsight, I'm not a professional footballer, but I'm looking at what I see. Either you take it in left foot, you put it to the goalkeeper's right, or you take it on the outside of your right foot to the goalkeeper's right. For me, that was the two obvious finishes for me. But listen, in a pressure cooker situation, tried to finish it the way he didn't score. And you know what? Them kind of games where you don't have a lot in terms of chances, you've got to take the ones that you do get, man. Because, like I said, Selhurst Park is a tough place to go. Very tough place to go. I don't think they really penetrated us personally. But Arsenal should have gone in at halftime at least 1-0 up. Definitely 1-0 up. But I think probably for me, the key thing starting in the second half was we get the goal quickly. And we did. Very quick thinking from Martinelli, even though he overhit the free kick. And then Eddie wins a penalty. And different change of penalty taker. Martin Odegaard steps up and the captain puts us 1-0 up. And I actually thought from when we got the goal, I thought we actually had more control of the possession and actually controlled the game, to be honest. I don't think really Palace had anything on us really apart from the free kick we gave away through lapse of concentration. But things change. Things change. Tommy actually booking for time wasting, which when I looked it back on it again, I thought that was harsh. And then the one that where he actually got sent off for, I think we've got a bit of a problem coming in the season. I know there's some new laws in terms of what they're trying to implement, the PGMO and Howard Webb, but if he's gonna get sent off for that, then you're gonna see a lot more red cards this season, man. I'm telling you, because that was very, very harsh. For the yellow card booking for the time wasting, and the yellow card where he, to be honest, didn't even touch Ayew and put us under the cosh for 20 minutes to go, man. We defended resolutely. We made the necessary changes through tiredness and just get a bit more solidity in terms of the back four and the midfield central areas. And we hung on, man. We hung on. We restricted them and we defended resolutely. And we got a tough, well-deserved win, in my humble opinion. So how can I be upset with that? Like I said, there's going to be a lot of tinkering in the first 4 or 5 weeks of the season, maybe a bit longer to get a more settled team. The new recruits need to find their way in the team and a bit more time to gel with the players that are already at the club. But listen, 2 wins on the spin, a clean sheet at a tough away ground. What more can we ask for? And we roll on to Saturday with Fulham at home. So people, drop your comments down below. Tell me what you thought. And yeah, I will see you at the game on Sunday if you're there. Come and say hello. But that's me, Albert JTV, over and out for the Loaded Fan Cam.